So excited because, ta-da, I got my package. Let's turn this around. My new ASEA package. And I am just beside myself. So, let me see it. This is the new ASEA Gold. The new package, the new surprise I was telling you guys about. I'm so excited to have this. You see, it came with a little sample package. The ASEA Gold. This is gold. Like literally, guys, there's gold inside here. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. This is supposed to be even better than the Renew 28 shift. And when I tell you it takes it away right away, I don't know how it works, but of course it's the redox molecules in there. But you see what it says close up? It's the ASEA REDOXGold Massage and Soothing Gel. They've been testing this out on athletes and people who are exercising, and oh, the reviews have just been amazing. And I can do my own review, my own testimony that this is a game changer. You got to try it today. It's not on the market yet, not until February, they said. So you can't get it yet, but as soon as it's available, I will make the announcement. So stay tuned. You're going to be blown away. I cannot say that enough. This is definitely a game changer. So you saw how excited I was to receive my ASEA package. Look at this beautiful package. I was very excited. I wanted to go over some of this with you guys. I'll tell you more about the ASEA Gold. This is the new product to the ASEA Renew. Remember I was telling you about the ASEA Renew 28, where you apply it up to 3 times in 5 minutes? And well, guess what? This is the updated cousin to this one. This is the ASEA REDOXGold. And because I have sampled it myself, that's why I was so excited to get this package. Because as a distributor, I was able to get the product before it's on the market. Now, it is going to go on the market. They're going to release it on February 6th. Yes, February 6th. Now, if anything changes, I'll let you know. But as of right now, it will be released on February 6th, which is this upcoming Thursday. Today is February 4th, so I'm not sure when you're going to see the video, but just know that February 6th is when it's released. Now, we know about this technology, the ASEA Renew 28, and the liquid form of the ASEA supplement. This is the Redox Cell Signaling Supplement, the liquid form, and the Renew 28 is the gel form of this. And the ASEA Gold is the gel form that's 10 times, like twice the strength of this one. So I cannot tell you how amazing this product is. I've always told you guys that I suffer from neck pain. Always told you guys that I suffer from neck and shoulder pains, especially after a busy 12-hour shift. And I sampled this as soon as I got it. I got it, what, a couple of weeks ago? Yeah, it was about a couple of weeks ago. And this tube is almost empty. And I'm excited because I'm noticing less pain now after the end of the shift because I'm applying it throughout my shift. And it doesn't take much. And you probably can't see it in this light. So what I'll do a close-up for you guys. It has little 24-karat gold specks in it. And that's what's causing, I guess, to help it react. I will get all of the information for you because I'm still learning about it myself. We're having another meeting tonight. So I keep having these conference meetings and the Zoom meetings so I can learn more about it because I used it before I learned about it. But this one also is an anti-aging formula. It helps with the wrinkles. It helps with all kinds of things. So I know they're still studying it though, so I'm sure over time they'll discover more and more benefits from it. But for right now, they've discovered that it has, you know, it helps relax your tissues, which I can tell you, it relaxes my muscles in my neck and my shoulders. And the other night, actually, my feet started cramping. Well, one of my foot started cramping. I think it was the left foot. And I'm like, why is my foot cramping? I haven't had cramping feet in a long time. Well, that was the end of a long shift. Plus, at the end of that shift, I did a lot of running around, a lot of errands. So I'm thinking that's probably why I had the cramping, because my supplements, my magnesium, my vitamin D, everything's good. The calcium, all my blood levels are good. So that must have been because at the end of a really tiresome shift and running around like a mad woman is probably why I had the cramping. But I applied this ASEA REDOXGold to my foot, and I have never had anything to stop the cramping so quickly. I was like, oh my gosh. And as you know, it's weird because I have to get used to thinking about the new one now, because I'm always thinking about this one. I'm always applying this to everything. But since drinking the ASEA Redox supplement and using this gel regularly, I haven't had any foot cramps. But like I said, I think it's probably because of the long day that I had. And I hadn't rubbed anything on my feet. I haven't had to rub anything on my feet because they haven't been cramping. So now I have this, game changer. I've used other stuff in the past. I'm not going to name them, but you guys know about the muscle relaxers and the creams that you put on. And some of them work great. They have like the freezing effect or the cooling effect. This one also has a cooling effect, but it has, I can literally feel the muscles loosening up, the tension going away. And I don't know how it works, but I'm learning. Even the more I'm learning, I'm not a scientist. I'm a science nerd, but I'm not a scientist. So I have to keep reading and learning more about the benefits of this. And as I go along, I promise to share more with you as well. The ASEA REDOXGold. If you have any sore muscles or muscle cramping or muscle spasms anywhere, put this on and see how quickly it will relieve that tension and the spasms. You must rub it all the way in. And the reason why I know it works is because I had more tension on my left side, which I don't know why. I don't know, maybe it's because I'm left-handed. I usually have more spasms on the left side and more tension because I'm always using the left hand, I guess, I don't know. But I noticed I'm always applying it to the one side, and I noticed the difference. Now, sometimes I'll realize there's some tension over here as well, but it's never as bad as the left side. And as soon as I put it on there, all of a sudden, I don't feel anything over here. And because the pain goes away over here, or the discomfort, now all of a sudden I'm hyper-focused on the right side. So I know it's working because it takes my mind off of it. And like I said, it gives a nice cooling sensation and relief. And then before the minute was up, it was completely gone. I don't know. It's amazing. And it says REDOXGold Massage and Soothing Gel. So can you imagine getting a massage with this? Whoa. Having that loosen up all the muscles? This had been under research for the past 3 years at a university. And during that research, yes, they used 24 karat gold within the solution. And I guess with the 24 karat gold, they were saying it helps with the redox reactions and to help the NRF2 pathway produce more glutathione. Now, the glutathione is a powerful antioxidant. And with the gold mixing in there, it actually helps the body get instant relief. Okay, we know about the original products, the ASEA Redox cell signaling supplement, the liquid form, and then the ASEA Renew 28 gel form. It also helps with modulating your hormonal balance, help maintain your healthy inflammatory response, improve your gut health and digestion. It just improves everything, the immune system overall. This is the main products. These have been around, this one's been around for over 15 years. The ASEA Renew Gel, just about as long. But this is the brand new baby right here, which will be on the market February 6th. So anyway, I will bring more information your way, but this is amazing. It's a game changer. It truly, truly is a game changer and a health changer because I don't know how it works, but I'm glad it does. Get your tube of ASEA Redox Gold on February 6th. Remember, launching February 6th, ASEA Redox Gold. Try it. You won't regret it. You can see the information in my description below. Look for 10% off your first order of any ASEA Redox products. The 10% is only good for one product at a time. Or you can take advantage of the bundle deal. For 2 weeks after February 6th, you're going to have an opportunity to have a special bundle deal of the ASEA Gold. You're going to get 4 larger tubes of the ASEA Gold and 6 little mini tubes of the gel that you can share. So you'll see the information in my description below, number below, and I can be of assistance. Thank you so much for watching and listening. Have a great day.